Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about unlocking that $25 bonus that you got for using a referral code when signing up for Crypto.com. So what you need to do is stake CRO and get a Crypto.com Visa card reservation, and this is going to unlock your sign up bonus. You can purchase the CRO in-app via debit or credit card, a crypto wallet, or bank transfer. And to walk you through the steps on how you can accomplish this, so down in the bottom right-hand corner of the application, you can see where it says card. Click on that, and that's going to take you over to the area where you can select the card that you want. Now, you have to get at least the Ruby card, but you can get tiers above this as well to unlock your $25 bonus. So once you select the card that you're looking to stake your CRO with, you're going to click continue on the next page, and then it will list your purchase and hold requirement and how long you need to hold these funds. And you're going to need to stake the CRO for 6 months. So then you click purchase and hold and it takes you to the next page. And you need to select a funding source, whether it's a debit or credit card, a crypto wallet, or your fiat wallet from your bank account. And once you select your payment method, you click the stake button down here at the bottom. And then it'll take you to the CRO stake completed page where it's going to show you how much CRO that you're staking and for how long. And then at this point, I'm going to zoom in here to this last image. Then that sign up bonus will be unlocked in your Crypto.com account. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the steps on how you go about unlocking your referral bonus in your Crypto.com account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.